Hey everyone, this is Natalie with Keeper & Co. and this week we're going to be answering some of your frequently asked questions about our heat press kits. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is cut out our design using our Great Cuts vinyl cutter, and because it's Native American Heritage Month, we are using a Thunderbird design to decorate our hat. So one of the most popular questions that we get asked about the Captain Platen kit for heat press is what kind of hats can it decorate? And to put it shortly, all kinds. As long as they're unconstructed, the Captain Platen kit for heat press can decorate it. So to show you guys, we're going to be decorating a 100% cotton dad hat and a polyester trucker hat. But it can also do all kinds of other hats too. Nylon, polyester blends, cotton blends, things like that. As long as it's not going to be sensitive to the heat from the heat press itself, you can decorate it. First, we'll be decorating on the cotton dad hat, and to load the Captain Platen, we will first make sure those back straps are undone and then slide the bill underneath the front par, tucking back all of the sweatbands and anything underneath that top plate, and getting our front panel as flat as possible, and just make sure that the sides of the hat brim are aligned with the sides of the platen so that it's nice and straight. Pull everything back and engage that locking bar, and you're all set. Now this part, as always, is up to personal preference. If you would prefer to put your vinyl cutout design on the hat prior to putting the Captain Platen on the heat press adapter, you may, or you can place it after you put it on the heat press adapter. Now that you have your design in place, you can heat press the hat. We are pressing ours at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds. Now, once it's all pressed, you can replace the Captain Platen back on the setup station and you'll see the film peeling up on its own. Just peel it off and it's done. And to apply your vinyl cutout to the trucker hat, you just repeat the process the exact same way. Now here we're showing you a different way to put your design in place. You can use some heat tape along the sides of it to hold it in place. That way when you take the Captain Platen off the setup station and put it on the heat press adapter, it stays exactly where you want it to go. This is optional, of course, and just kind of makes it a little bit easier. Now, one thing to note on polyester hats specifically is that the front bar of the Captain Platen tends to leave a mark when you heat press it. Now, that will come out super easily. Just take a wet paper towel and press it along the creases and then let it air dry and they'll fall right out. Another question that we get asked a lot about our face mask kit for heat press is, can it decorate more than just face masks? And the answer is, of course, yes. And to best show you guys that, we're going to be decorating the side panel of a hat as well, using the face mask kit for heat press. Now to load the side panel of the hat, we are just tucking that sweatband underneath the top of the top plate there, matching it up corner to corner, and then taking the corresponding 3x4 hoop and holding it down. Once our design is in place, we're just going to go ahead and press the side panel according to the same settings as before. Alright friends, thanks for watching. If you have any questions of your own that we didn't cover today, go ahead and comment them down below and head to the description for a full write-up on this whole project and to subscribe to our newsletter if you haven't already. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel to stay tuned every week for all of the fun things that we do here. And other than that, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.